Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My dear brothers and sisters, Eid is one of the most joyful occasions in Islam, a time to give thanks to Allah, spread love, and strengthen our faith and community. But how do we celebrate Eid the way our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us? Let's walk through the steps of celebrating Eid, the Sunnah way. Part 1. Prepare spiritually. The celebration of Eid begins before the actual day, whether it's Eid al-Fitr, marking the end of Ramadan, or Eid al-Adha, following the day of Arafah. Prepare your heart with gratitude, remembrance of Allah, and good deeds. For every nation there is a festival, and this is our festival. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and Sahih al-Bukhari. Part 2. Ghusl, best clothes, and fragrance. On Eid morning, it's Sunnah to perform ghusl, the full-body ritual purification. Then wear your best clothes, not necessarily new, and apply perfume if you can. The Prophet, peace be upon him, used to wear his best clothes and adorn himself for the Eid prayer. Part 3. Eating before or after Eid prayer. For Eid al-Fitr, eat before going to the prayer. Traditionally, an odd number of dates. For Eid al-Adha, eat after the Eid prayer, ideally after offering the sacrifice. Part 4. Attend the Eid prayer. The Eid prayer is a highly recommended sunnah. It's 2 rak'ahs followed by a short khutbah. It is usually held in an open space if possible. Even women, children, and the elderly are encouraged to attend as per the sunnah. Go to the prayer walking and recite the takbeer along the way. Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah. Allahu Akbar, Walillahil hamd. Takbeer for both Eids, repeated from the night before Eid al-Fitr, and from Fajr of Eid al-Adha up to the 13th of Dhul Hijjah. Part 5. Udhiyah, Qurbani, Eid al-Adha only. On Eid al-Adha, Muslims who can afford it are encouraged to offer a sacrifice, sheep, goat, cow, or camel, in honor of Prophet Ibrahim's, alayhi salam's, devotion to Allah. The meat is divided into 3 parts. 1/3 for yourself, 1/3 for family and friends, 1/3 for the poor and needy. Part 6. Spread joy, visit, and give. Eid is a time to connect with family, friends, and neighbors. Visit relatives, greet others with, Taqabbal Allahu minna wa minkum. May Allah accept from us and from you. Give Eid gifts, especially to children. And be sure to give Zakat al-Fitr before Eid al-Fitr prayer if it's that Eid. Final message. As this blessed day comes to a close, let us remember Eid is not just a celebration, but a reminder of gratitude, sacrifice, and unity. May Allah accept your worship, forgive your shortcomings, and fill your hearts with peace. From all of us to you, Eid Mubarak.